merry-go-round with you.
What are we doing in Jayla's closet today? I look a mess. I look a mess. I need to get myself together. We got a new unit sent over because your girl has been just rocking a ponytail. Now your girl does not know how to braid, but we gotta figure this out. So let's go ahead and pull out our new unit. This is from Love Me Hair, and we're going to switch some things up, change our mood. You know, sometimes you just need a new look. Oh, we are going Blonde Bob. This is pre-cut lace. Let me go ahead and show you. The lace on here is already cut. I'm wondering if we put it on straight out the box, what's about to happen. Like, I'm a little nervous. Okay, so for my hair, I don't know what we're gonna do because, like I said, I can't braid. I don't know if I was gonna fake braid, act like I can braid, do some twists. I don't know. In my mind, see, that just don't even make no sense. That your girl cannot braid. We gotta do some two-strand twists. Dang. Okay. Well, going over there. Lord. This is a mess. This is a mess right here. Just a mess. We gotta trust the process that we can at least twist our hair into straight backs, even if we cannot do full-on braids. Oh my God. Oh, fuck. I'm getting caught in the other braid twist. Oh. We can't do this. Okay, so I'm struggling a bit. Okay, I'm fed up already. What else we gonna do? We just gonna bun it? How we gonna make it flat? I'm gonna go real low with a scrunchie. I'm gonna use some pins, bobby pins, so that it's flat. That's all we have, folks. Ready to try on our blonde wig. I'm excited about this one. I feel like once I do that makeup, I'm just gonna tighten the straps underneath. It has an elastic band, boop, 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 and these two combs. Let's see. Okay, hold on. Didn't I tell y'all with the makeup situation? Hold on. Let me take off the. Ooh, okay. Cause see, some colors don't work well with everything. Okay. Hold on. Straight out the box. This is, I'm about to say, a good style to wig to be a bob. Oh. Show you what the cut. This is the cut of the wig. All right, guys, so things that are needed to make this wig come to life. We're gonna need a hot comb, and we're gonna need a flat iron to just bend our look and then flatten it just a little bit. The last secret ingredient would be to get glam and do a glam makeup look and put on a complimentary outfit to this blonde. So we have some work to do to transform us, and I know that I want this to be straight. First step, makeup. First step, makeup. Okay, so I'm going to take a little clip. Okay, take a little clip us back. Just a little clip back. I did go to Sephora, pick up some new products. This will be my first time trying these products. Might as well. So from Sephora, I got the and this is Haus Labs by Lady Gaga. I'm in the shade 400 Medium Deep. My favorite concealer for under eye is Too Faced Born This Way in Butterscotch. Chef's Kiss. Then the new product on Too Faced Street is the Melted Bronzing Sculpting Stick. So I got one in Chocolate Caramel for a little bit of bronze. I did get a new lip gloss. This clear gloss is LYS Beauty. I needed a clear to top the lippy. And then the last product I got is the Milk Makeup Setting Spray. This is the Grip Set and Refresh Spray. So something wet to spray. I do already have, where is it at? Oh, I do have a finishing spray, but I wanted a more wet look. So let's go ahead and do our makeup. Now I do need to wash my makeup brushes. This one last time, God, hold us down. Hold us down. Let's start with primer. This is the Bobbi Brown Mattifying Primer. Alright, you guys, it's coming together. This a look. I plugged up the flat iron. I could not find my hot comb, so flat iron do us justice. I'm just gonna do a few passes. Boom, we like that. Let's pull down this side. You see? You see how like it got a little bit, you know, flat. So I'm gonna go from the back. I'm not bending too much. Try not to bend. It's not really a bend motion. Look at us today. Look at us today. Look at us today. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, that's not a sleek look. Any little flyaways, I just want to get these gone. Okay guys, so I couldn't find the wax stick. Let's go ahead and put on our lippy. The wax stick was just gonna lay it down. We didn't need a lot, but it's looking pretty good straight out the box. I need my pencil sharpener. I'm feeling good now. You know, a girl just needs to get her look together and she can feel like herself again. Sometimes this is what it takes. Okay, sharpened her up. What do we think? To finish off the makeup look, our setting spray. Alright guys, final review from this wig that I got from Love Me Hair. Straight out the box, perfect blonde bob. Like, looks amazing. Had to do minimum work, so I love that. Just had to like do my face, like do my makeup, and she was ready to go. I absolutely love her. I'm going to have the link to this wig in my description box so that you guys can get it if you're interested. And I hope that you guys really liked it. Let me know in the comment section what you guys thought about the blonde. I don't think you guys have ever seen me with just a blonde bob wig straight out the box. Y'all have seen me with blonde, but this cut right here, she's cute. Alright guys, I thought it was only right that we actually styled our blonde wig. This is what I came up with. A little denim from Fashion Nova. I have on a orange Bottega heel, my orange Bottega bag. I put the straps on the inside so it's like a clutch. And I think this look complements the blonde so well. One more look because this bob just is everything. I did a cheetah denim with my YSL bag, denim, corset. Y'all know I had to come on here and give y'all one more look. Cause the bob, yeah, she's cute.